Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on 10 by 12 inch canvas, and probably it should be like that because this will be my orientation for today. And I will experiment a little bit again. If you didn't see my last collaboration with Mina Valega's video, I did some rings and then dip it with the balloon, but today I had something a little different in my head. I want to kind of pour some paints here in the middle, stretch them out, just pour a stripe, stretch them out, and then do some balloon dips. I don't know if this will work, if this will be anything. Maybe you will not even see this, but I want to try. Already decided. Beautiful. See? at this flower. They look like flowers in the space or something. So here is a close-up of the wet results. It's kind of spacey. I like it in a way, I don't know, but it was not exactly what I was hoping for, but I certainly did get some new ideas. This one. So stay tuned for the dry results. So here is a dry result. It is a little different that I was thinking of when I start this pour, but still love it. Love all these details in the flowers. I really love this one. And this one, and the smaller ones. So sorry. I got a lot of comments on my previous pour that I should wait, that I hadn't, that I had balloon too filled up, that I shouldn't press as hard. But you know, all those things makes a difference, and I want to have this kind of effects. That's why I pressed hard with balloon, kind of filled out a lot. If you watch me, you know that I normally use a glove rather than the balloon, but for this kind of pour I want to have these effects. That's why I did it that way. I know that you all mean good, but you know, sometimes when you do things differently, because you want to achieve a little different effect, and that's why I did it that way. So have a nice weekend and see you on the next one. Bye.